In this video, I'll show you how to authenticate your domain in Mailchimp so your emails land in inboxes and not spam. Start by logging into Mailchimp. In the top right corner, click your profile icon and go to Account and Billing. From here, open the Domains tab. Now click Add and Verify Domain. Enter the email address connected to your domain, something like info@yourdomain.com. Mailchimp will then send a verification email. Head to your inbox, open that email and click the verification link. Once verified, your domain is authenticated, which boosts deliverability and shows email providers your messages are legitimate. And that's it. You've successfully authenticated your domain in Mailchimp. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tips.